loves. Today I'm going to show you all how to create your own happy planner pages. The happy planner that I have is the classic budget happy planner. If you're not sure what type of planner you have, the easiest way to figure it out is to count the amount of rings. There's a larger happy planner, then there's the classic happy planner, and then there's the mini. Classic happy planner has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rings. You won't have to go out and keep buying more pages. You can customize your pages. Like this will also come in handy when I create my printables and you would like to use a printable in your happy planner. I'm actually going to reveal one of my printables in this video. So the second printable that I am revealing is an expense tracker, and it looks like this. I have the date, amount, description, cash, credit or debit, and then if you used an other. I'm actually going to use an expense tracker because I get my first paycheck tomorrow. I would like to know where my money is going, what I need to spend less on, or what I need to spend more on. And when you print it, this is what it's going to look like. Yellow lines on the side. Right here is where the washi tape will go. Printing on regular paper, it'll be thin and you want to reinforce the paper, so you put washi tape right there between the yellow lines, and these dashed lines is where you will cut, make it fit in your happy planner. First thing you will need is a piece of paper. This is just going to show you where your paper is going to fit. So you could just print it on regular paper and then cut it out, but as you can see, it lines up perfectly with the size of the happy planner pages. A pen, I told you all in the last video that I use the Pilot G210, but I actually changed my pens to the finer one, which is the Pilot G27. You will also need some stickers just to decorate, scissors. Also, if you want to add some color, you can use a highlighter, marker, whatever. If you have a single hole puncher, that'll work perfectly. First thing that I like to do is just go ahead and cut out these parts right here. Cutting lines, you want to cut on the inside of the lines so the lines won't show up on your paper. So once you cut that, you can use your planner paper, line it up, with the paper that you have, and then just make 3 dots. One right here on the edge, one right here in the middle, and then one right here on the end. So as you can see, I have the dot over here, the dot in the middle, and the dot on the end. So I'm just going to connect the dots by cutting across. So I'm starting on this side, cutting like so. And there you have it. And if you want to get more creative, you can actually cut the ends, make them rounder. You want to cut on the outside of the yellow lines. So right here, just gonna cut. Don't cut the yellow line, but cut on the outside. And then you can see exactly where your washi tape will go. I am going to be using my favorite rose gold washi tape. There you have it. That's what your paper will look like inside of your happy planner. So you're going to line the papers up on the washi tape side and flip it over. What you want to do is take your pen, and right there where the little hole is for the rings, you want to make a dash. So when you lift the paper up, you have your guidelines. Hole punch those guidelines. I like to go right there in the middle. I punch it through. You're just going to keep doing that. And as you can see, there's holes on it, but it doesn't look like the holes in the Happy Planner. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your scissors, put it in the middle like so. So it's like this now. And then cut a smaller piece off of that. The slits are big enough that the rings can fit through. Customize it to our liking. So I'm just going to highlight the top part. Put a sign right here that says plan, and it should fit perfectly. And it does. This is how you can make your own Happy Planner pages with any type of paper. I will be releasing my printables real soon so you all can use them. This is how you make your own Happy Planner pages. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I will have everything up very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.